So this is me last month taking a 21 model on a 22 plate Goldwing DCT bagger, and it was my first time on a Goldwing. First impressions were how blooming easy it was to just get on and ride it, how manageable it was for the size of it.
See what we're like at slow manoeuvring. Just a clutch ticking over.
Well, engine ticking over, I should say. I'm just letting the engine pull the bike round.
That was very easy.
Just to see what it was like. Very easy, as I've watched hundreds of hours of videos, and how that low centre of gravity helps with the manoeuvring. I'm going around these slightly damp corners. Got quite a good lean on it. So first chance to open it up in tour mode, give it a bit of beans. Up to national, 60 mile an hour. Absolutely no problem. This is the first island we're coming up to with some decent front brake. As you can hear, just turn in.
It is a bit heavier to flick.
Qualify that statement, it was compared to the Honda Pan European, which is very flickable, believe it or not, for a bike that's only 4 inches shorter than this bike, about the same width, a little bit lighter, but yeah.
So even though it's in automatic, I can still use the flappy paddle, because in tour mode it looks like it hangs onto the revs a bit more, so there I was just wanted to change up a bit more. I didn't want to hang on.
I think what I'm saying here is the fact that the the gears hang on a bit longer, and because it was wet coming off the island, I didn't fancy holding on to the revs a bit longer. I wanted to change up, have a bit more control over the bike, that was all, and I could use the flappy paddle finger controls on the left controller to do that. Now this particular section, I got hit with a copyright because I had the speakers playing, and I got Kenny Loggins' Danger Zone playing, which I thought was quite apt. So I've taken it out, unfortunately for you guys, and also the audio was crap because I forgot to put my visor down in the excitement of putting it into sport mode and taking off with my hair on fire. That was great fun. Shift, like most people have said, it shifts for a big bike, and I'm looking forward to having lots of fun and not having any chicken tracks on those tyres. Taking it out, I think obviously I'm going to have to moderate my riding style to start with.
There's only so much Kenny Loggins you can take.
What with the bike feeling a bit heavy underneath when I try and flick it over from left to right and right to left, going around the islands, it just felt I had to heave it over a bit more. It could be something to do with the gyroscopic effect of the flat 6 down there as opposed to the V4 on the Pan, but I look forward to finding out whether I can flick it over a bit more and make progress on it, as they say. So this is me wanting to check out the automatic cutout, the eco mode. So quiet. I wanted to see how much movement my wrist takes to start it up. Have a look, watch. Barely a little flick of the wrist and it fired up. Very sensitive. So do it again.
Okay, lovely jubbly.
I must say the tyres and brakes felt good on these wet roads. I hadn't got an issue, and I'd opened it up and stopped quite quickly as well. So let's have a look. Little flick of the wrist. Got to wait for them to cross. There you go, up in front. Look. So quiet you can hear the beep, 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 beep. Hardly moved. Well, I look forward to getting this in September. whatever, and making some steady progress and learning all its ins and outs and nuances. So, thanks for watching, folks. I'm off to pay me 500 quid to the Honda dealer. See you later, folks.